Have you ever failed at something and felt like giving up? We all have, but sometimes failure is not a full stop, but it is simply a comma in our journey to success. A very warm and pleasant morning to our respected essay coordinator, teachers, seniors, juniors, and my all dear friends. I am Aradhya Jha from grade 8, and today I would like to share a few thoughts on a very important topic: how to overcome failure. Failure is a part of everyone's life. We may fail exam, lose a competition, make a mistake, or not achieve our goals. It makes us feel sad and disappointment. But failure is not the end. So how can we overcome failure? First of all, accept your failure and don't be afraid of it. Second, try to improve it and see what went wrong. Third, make a better plan and try again. And most importantly, believe in yourself. We should remember that every successful person has faced failure in their life. They became successful because they never gave up and they never give up. So whenever you fail at something, don't say I can't do it. Instead say I will try again and improve it. Always remember that failure is not the opposite of success, but it is a part of success. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.